Hello everyone and welcome! It is time to do finally some more Godot again. It's been way too fucking long. And yeah, the flailing toddler of programming needs some... I need some, you know... It's just a little bit of training again because it's been like it's been like 2 weeks or so, but you know, better than nothing. Okay. So, yeah, last time we made tile maps. Splendid. Splendid, splendid, splendid. Then we can actually use that. Now that I realize that, we should get another tile set. Oh, that's actually perfect. That is actually perfect. Now that I see it. Because today I do want to add another part of how's it called? Of the level structure. Right now, everything is basically yeah, everything is basically just you go, you activate this, and then it's done. I want to make it so that there is a quote-unquote level exit, and I think that would be a perfect way to just get back into the groove again. Let's make everything a little bit nicer. Oh, that's good. That's good. Also, I have a few things we're working on because I do think we want to get the server a little bit more, you know, tuned up. There we go. Perfect. Okay. And then you go into my absolutely shittily named folder. There we go. Then we can actually start. Oh, oh, there we go. Okay. So actually, wait. I did it differently. Should be here. Is it? Huh? Right. There we go. Perfect. We are. Okay, so here we have this. Nice already is a nice PNG. Let's just we also do make it a new thing. That is good right here. And then I do want to just, it's not gonna look good, but you know, the point is more to make something that can be interpreted as. So we do want to draw on the server here though. You know, more like and then we just smear it a bit. Let's go. No. You know what? Let's just make it a full on. You also a bit. Oh well, no, maybe not. It's just you and I keep making it a bit bigger. Oop, there we go. We just need to have a second sprite that we can switch through, I would say. So yeah. All of that looks good. Ah, there we go. Put you in there. No, please in here. Perfect. I wonder if I should actually switch to a newer version of Godot, if that actually just works with my project. I haven't looked into that. The irony is I have 4.5 already on my PC because that's where the Battlefield SDK runs on. Still no idea how to keep working on that thing. But that's that. Anyway, so we have this. Then we do want... There we go. Tile map. Okay. So. Perfect. Okay. Hey, Gossip Girl, how are you doing? Well, I think I'm doing pretty well, I would say. There we go. I do think we would use some... Yeah, pink seems good. I hope you're going, this is going well though for you. It'd be really bad. Hope you can get through that. But yeah, so wait, okay, yeah. I'm trying to get to understand again. Set up. Ah, Right. So, that terrain set. Okay, I'm a bit confused now, but yeah. Because, there we go. Yeah, terrain set one, there we go. Okay, okay. That means I need to go into the tile set. I need to... Terrains. Terrain set 2. This one. There we go. Okay. Oh, is it match con? No, it's... Okay, yeah, it was like this. Okay. So now when I go onto terrains, I have... Wait, no. Yeah. That should be it. There we go. So if I now... Nope, you please go back. I don't want to scale this. I just want to... And that's not working. You know what? Maybe I shouldn't have done that. Alright, how was your week? As you can see, I'm currently trying to make things work again. Now I realize that it's not... It actually looks better now that I use like that. And it's still bad. Oops. I mean, you know what? An okay week is still better than a bad week. So... Ooh, nice. You know what? That should be enough. Anyway, so stood like that, and you are up here anyway. And I didn't know what happened here, but perfect. Okay. So we have an elevator. Yeah, it's supposed to be an elevator. Don't think too much about it. This is all very hack jobby here. After all. Okay, server. We do want a second... we want to tell you that this is... server intact. And then we want to add a sprite.d, and that will be server boom, obviously, because it made boom. No, server down. Okay, so this should actually make it so that when we go onto main again, server, we don't see it actually. Let us go into the script. So, function ready, yes. Also, I would say, let's do a few to on ready var intact equals the server intact, and then we can just copy server boom is server boom. Yes. So boom dot height, obviously. So yeah, we're gonna do then we do server intact dot height and server boom dot show. Very easy. Also, we should probably, just to be not Zeba, server intact dot show, just to make it a bit easier. Let's just run this and see if everything works. Okay. But as you can see, we have now walls with collision. Whee! Okay, so pinky on off this fucking works. I love when a hack job is just the solution. God, I wish I had more than one cup of pickle Pepsi for evening, but I don't overdo it. Yeah, I should definitely shorten that time, but not today. Anyway, so we need something new. What do we need? We want to have a new, which is an area 2D, pretty obviously. And this one is just called elevator. Very simple. I don't even think it needs actually anything more. Save scene as. Oh yeah, it needs one thing. I totally forgot. It needs a collision shape 2D because else it can't do anything. We So we want to save this scene as elevator. Yes. Okay. So time to go actually a bit back into main 2D. Okay. Essential child scene, and we want to have the. Where is it? Elevator. There. Perfect. So where is it? There we go. Okay. Delete node. Yeah, I don't need that one on you. Now that I think about it, I can definitely just do it with add shortnode and then add a collision shape to the here. You please move more in the center. 2D. Oh. And we want a rectangular shape. I have never had really Korean fried chicken now that I think about it. Those are not like actually a big thing here. There's a new fried chicken shop in general. But yeah. I don't think I ever had Korean fried chicken. Okay, so now you can have a script. Save scene as. Okay. No, save scene just. It extends error to D. I mean, ooh, that sounds cool. So I'm just, okay, basically I need to check. Oh, what did I do? Yeah, I did it on winning. On server boom. Actually, I, I think I can just go. Actually, let me just do it like this. So I give the elevator a signal. Pretty easy. Play. Entered elevator. So I do want to just check here. And I do want to, it's a node, so I do want on, wait. Please don't tell me I overthought this. Because I kind of wanted to do this as a, blah, blah, blah. There we go. Yeah, it actually sounds pretty cool because, like, I mean, we don't have something like that. When someone here, when one of us here has a birthday, it's more often, what do you want? And, I cook it. Usually. So. And that can be a lot. I think Yagonia always bounces between either she wants chili, curry, or some form of cake. It's usually the three ones she enjoys. Elevator. Okay. And we do just elevator set process put the three C's. Yeah, fair point. Okay, okay. The three Ks. Kili Kuryok. No! Not the three Ks! That's cursed. Okay, let's see how it works this time. No, I might actually have to fight my way through something. I should definitely enable the music again. Aha! Oh. Okay. The elevator works! Whee! Okay, but this definitely means I also Oh, anyone has like something they know as a tune that's a bit of an get to the get to the chopper, get to the elevator, get out there. I'm thinking of like some old game that would work with that. Because then I could make it a bit nicer. But hey, we actually have everything we need to make a level next time. That's cool. I like that. So next week is gonna definitely be But yeah, damn. There you go.
Thank you.
But yeah, if you have some input on like old video game music I could borrow, I like something that's a bit of a countdown, like, you know, Get Out. Actually, you know
You
what?
tell me of this one Warrior Land thing. It's a countdown.
Was there one in Variant with a countdown?
Yeah.
Now that you actually mention it, supposed to say hi, Agonia.
Hey.
You're dashing around.
Yeah.
You know what? Actually, let's label. Mm-hmm. Okay. Okay, let me just look something up. Okay. Interesting. change type. So we want a rich text label for what I want to do with this. Ah. Okay, so interesting. So there's something apparently called BB code. Code in code. Not bucket. I'm making it simple again. It should actually be enough. So we're gonna use you. We're gonna make you nice and red. Then everyone will know that uh, one, 3, 5. That's fine. Okay, so then we just want to get back into the script. Actually, da, da, da. Get out. Um, get out dot show. There we go. Wait. Get tree. Create. No. What? Create timer 5. Timeout. And now I'm going to be turbo lazy. And just make it hide. And then again, turbo lazy. Is this how you do it? Probably not. Should you do it like this? Nah. And then I can just say UI dot get get out. And that should be how it's written. Yes. Let's just see. Is this working? Is this going to be cursed as shit? Yep. And it's wrong. Right. I totally forgot. Okay. That was just I need to make the text bigger, but that's a different topic for another time, for another me. I should add one more blink, I would say. Aha, suckers. Okay. I don't know why I didn't get the UI as well aligned. What did I do different here? With game over, for example. Okay. Yeah, now I do need some music. And does anyone have like a good anything in mind that's like just a bit dun 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 dun. God.
You want two specific things.
It's a problem when you're like, what would be like the best thing? It's like, you something goes on saying dun 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 dun. I fuck you. I need to.
If you want to just copy something right now instead of making it yourself,
I can't make it myself. I don't have drums. I don't even have a keyboard anymore.
maybe we can figure something out in the long run.
Let me just check. Everyone, let's make some ear testing, I would say. No, we don't need that. Nope. Nope. I don't think Variland has the right music for that. Damn. Anyway, you know what? Music is one thing. We can always add that, but let me just check if everything is aligned now. Hey. Yeah, aside from the music, we have a level exit. Okay. So you know what? Next time we will start looking into how to do actually multiple levels, I would say. That sounds like a good plan. I mean, you know what? No, before that, we will look into creating more different enemy behavior. Because, like, I do want to have a few that are more patrolling. And then the enemy spawner gets turned on. So that's my idea, at least. Yeah, I do think that sounds like a good plan. Hey, we made some more progress again. I'm happy I do this. Like, this is always like where I would say, if you do like once per week and you're like, okay, I know at least what I'm working towards, what I'm doing here, and I'm not like losing focus. That's like the biggest problem, I think, is what I had over the last week. There was like a lot of stuff happened, but I always was like, oh shit, do I even get into it again? Like, hey, I made stuff again. I do think I should maybe look into making the elevator its own entity, but I do not know if that is such a smart idea. We'll see. We'll see. Sloan City Windsor is, yeah, hi Hyvernox. I mean, that's literally why I'm doing this. Like, I also want to get into the whole, as I said, into the Battlefield 6 SDK, but, yeah, I definitely need to probably poke some devs again, because they need documentation for that thing. Else, you do not figure this out easily, I would say. It's very unclear. Very, very unclear, actually. Speaking of, we do have some time left. We could do some pew-pew. Or some way more trashy pew-pew. If Agonia wants to join.
Sure.
I was actually the fencer.
In the beginning, very slow until you figure some stuff out.
Yeah, I heard that this was like a class that was actually very, very slow, and then people found out how to abuse the dashes, and then that's what just like, yeah, fuck it, that's how it works now. Okay, I guess then we're not doing and because, usually we were always playing a bit of Battlefield. Maybe we're doing that on Monday again. As said, depends. But yeah. Now we have something else set up. Where is it? I need to just tell people we're switching.
But then again, I think it's just harder because I tried to start on hard with Defensor.
Oh, yeah, we should also probably switch to hard when we switch to our characters. Da-da-da. So. Okay, so yeah. Thanks everyone for tuning in. We will literally be right back. Just reload the page and yeah. No real people pew-pew, but some alien pew-pew. So be surprised when you can finally play that game and it's fun. So see you in a bit. Reload the page.